So we got this squirrel. It's not. Oh, there it is. It's been real windy lately. He's just chilling out there. He almost fell off the side there. He just chilling, eating food. Birdseed. There's a tower up there. Nope, he's gonna eat it straight off the ground. Oh boy, if my cat were here, buddy, you'd be gone. Because the door's closed, so. It's not zooming. And there he is. Got a whole entire little squirrel up there. Hey, little buddy. See all the bird feeds rolling away. I think he ripped a hole in the bag, and it's coming out the hole in the bag. What's with your little ears, buddy? Wait, you see that? His ear's not there, but one of them is. Look at this. Very, very hard to see. See that? He only has one ear, it looks like. You guys keep watch. I'm gonna scare him away because cats go outside lots. I just don't want him to die, you know? So I'm just gonna go out there and scare him away. He don't jump.